Okay. Our English class will begin. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for your applause. So today I will talk about the unusual reversal pattern because the last time I talked about the continuous pattern. So today I will teach every member about the reversal pattern. So I hope you can understand. Before our class, let's see one story. Whether you are suitable for investment or not, because all of us are investors. So we don't know whether we are suitable for investor or not. So let's see today the story. One day, a young man came to Boss Wang's store to buy a gift. The cost of the gift is $18. While the price is $21 because every boss want to make money. So the cost of the gift is $18, but the price is $21. The young man took out $100 to buy this gift. Boss Wang has no change, so he took $100 to neighborhood for small changes, giving back $79 to young man. However, the neighborhood found that $100 is counterfeit money. Unfortunately, Boss Wang returned back $100 to neighborhood in frustration. Now the question: can you understand the story? Yes, we can understand because this is simple story, right? Because a young man spent $100 to buy the gift, but the money is fake. So we want to know what's the question. The question is, how much money did Boss Wang lost during this transaction? So you can think about it. How much money did Boss Wang lost? We have two opinions, right? If you only think about the profit, then it's the different answer. It's the answers, right? Then if you think about the cost, you will get another answers, right? So if the answer is given within 3 minutes, but the answer is wrong, which means that you are not suitable for investment. So can you give me the answer, please? Who can give me the answer within 3 minutes? How much? 200. How to calculate? Okay, first let's see this one. If this is the $100, right? Because this is the, let's calculate, okay? This $100, then the Boss Wang lost $100, right? Because he returned back $100 to the neighborhood, and then he giving back $79 to the young man. So he lost $79. Is it correct?
Not correct. The gift. Cost of gift.
And we know that this is the cost, right? So every member is very good. Then the cost is $80, right? Is it right?
Yes.
Correct. Okay, so this is. But if you have another opinion, you will think about this. Maybe I lost $100, right? Then 79, but you will not concern about $80 because this is the cost of the gift. So if you can give the answer within 3 minutes, it means that you are suitable for investment. But if you cannot give the answer is wrong, means you need to learn some method. If you want to make profit, you need to learn some good method to help you to make profit. Okay, so this is the one story. Let's see the market outlook. Recently, we can know that the market had a big correction, right? Okay. So I think chips distribution is very helpful for us judging the support and the resistance. So if you can use this method to judge the resistance and support, then we can see here the market just touched the resistance and get some resistance, then the price had some correction. Okay, so how to use this function? Okay, so let's see this one. Firstly, we should find the low point or high point. So this is the high point. Then we can connect the high point to the present price. Okay, then we can click CD, chips distribution. Then we know that here. Then the price just touched the resistance, right? Okay, the next day, the resistance. So we know that the chips can help us to judge the support and resistance. The longer the chip is, the stronger resistance and the support is. Okay, so we know that here is the big resistance. If the market cannot upward breakthrough, which means that we should pay more attention to the short-term risk, because I think the price will have some correction. Okay, then we can see this day the price just touched the resistance, but can upward breakthrough or not? Not yet. So we can see this is the bearish candlestick, means it cannot break through. Okay, then the next day the price had some big correction, right? Okay, so we know that this is the big correction. Where is the next support? The next support is here, right? Why? Because this is the third longest chips, right? So then we can know that. We can mark here. Then this is the resistance. This is the support. So we want to know if the price drop, where can we get in again? So if you see here, this is the price drop, then if the price touch the support, and the price can go up again. So here means that we can do some short-term rebound. Okay, so this is the chips distribution. Then we can use another one to judge. This one is called Hominy Rainbow. Why we use this function to judge? Because we know that the white line stands for the long-term trend. Okay, then the blue line stands for the medium long-term trend. The yellow line stands for medium-term trend, and the red line stands for short-term trend. Okay, so we know that here. If you don't know how to use chips distribution to judge, then we know that here, the price we can see here, the white line go down, right? So we know that the price just touched the white line. We here, each line has resistance and support for the stocks. So we see here, the price cannot upward break through because the price just touched the resistance, right? So it's the support, it's the resistance. So we had a better sell for short term. Okay, so if you want to do short-term trading, which lines you should use? The red line. If you want to do short-term trading, you can use red line to judge. Okay, if the red line go up, you can do short-term rebound. If the red line go down, you should sell for short-term. Okay. Then if you want to do long-term investment, you only check by the white lines. If the white line go down, you should hold your money. But if the white line go up, which means that you can buy for long term. Okay, so this is the market. We should pay more attention here. Then we can see next one. This one is time black hole. Time black hole can help us to judge the turning point. Where is the turning point? So we see here. This is the turning point, right? If the time black hole appears, that is to see this is the turning point. Then if you see the price can upward break through the time black hole, then it means that we can buy for it. It means that the price may have some rebound. Okay, then the price has some rebound and drop again. So where is the support? Okay, then we know that here. This is the time black hole. Then we can draw the line. Then the price today, the market just touched the support, but we don't know whether it can be supported or not. We should see tomorrow, check by tomorrow. If tomorrow the price can go up, which means that this is the support. Then if you want to do short-term trading, it's suitable for short-term. But you should know that the long-term is not good. So if you want to buy some stocks, you only can operate for several days. Okay. So this is the stock. This is the market. Then we can see some stocks. This stock is called best word. It's strong stock, right? But we see here. This is the price the price went up sharply. Okay, then we can see next day. The time black hole appears. What's that meaning? It tells us that this is the turning point. Okay, so the turning point, whether the price can go up or not, we don't know, right? But we should pay more attention because this is the turning point. So we can mark here. If the price can upward break through the time black hole, the upline, so it means it tells us that we can do. It tells us that the price may go up again. But if the price drop and fall below the time black hole, so it means that the price may go down. Okay, so you should pay more attention. Then we can see next one. This one is called Israel. So we see here, the time black hole appears. This is the turning point, right? But we don't know whether the price can go up or go down. Then we can see next day, the time black hole appears again. So if the price can go up, can upward break through the time black hole, it means that the price may go up and may have some short-term rebound. Okay, so this is some stocks. Then this is the market rule. You should pay more attention. If you want to do short-term rebound, here is the support because this is the chips distribution, and we know that here is the time black hole. Then we can see next one. Today we will talk about the reversal pattern. So we should see some notes. When the price trend is during the reversal process, in most cases, the chart will be a special area or pattern, which is called reversal pattern. There's a reversal pattern appears in a single day and complete, which is known as one-day reversal. However, the big price pattern needs time to complete. So we know that every investors want to catch some strong stocks, and we want to know how to find the bottom area. So if you want to find some good pattern, okay, so if we see the price drop, right, then the reversal pattern appears like the round bottom and the head and shoulder bottom, or triple bottom, or double bottom. If the pattern appears, then if you see the price can upward break through the pattern, so you can know that here is the bottom area. And if you see the stocks like this, you should pay more attention because this is the strong stock, and the stock start to go up. Okay, then we can see some stocks. So we can see this stock, Israel. So can you tell me which pattern is? This is the V pattern, right? Okay, then we can find some stocks. Then we can click Singapore market and find some high volume stocks. Then see which pattern is good. So if you see the pattern like this, down, then sideways, or sideways as some chart pattern, So if you see the price can go upward, can upward breakthrough, this is the good point to get in, okay? Then we can see this one. We find some high volume stocks. This stock is not active. We should check another one. Okay, this is another one. This is like the V pattern. Okay, so we see this one. This one can go up or not, can get in or not. This stock is called Noble. Okay, then we can see this one. If you see the price like this, the pattern like this, then the price drop, right? Then go up again, then drop again. What's that meaning? Can we get in at this point? And we see here, the time black hole appears. Maybe the price may go up, right? But can we get in or not? We cannot judge, right? Okay, then we see next day. Because we know that here we cannot judge because this is the turning point. But you see here, the time black hole, the price fell below the time black hole. What's that meaning? And the price hits a new low, which means that we cannot get in. Never buy the stocks which always hits a new low, okay? So here is not a good buy point. Then if you see the price like this, okay, then the price had some rebound, then go up again. Can we go in at this point? Cannot, because we don't know whether the price will hit a new low or not. We don't know. Then we can see this one. This stock is Malaysia one. Okay, so we see this one. Then we can see this stock. Then the price drop, right? So here. Then this is the low point. The price had some rebound. This is the low point. Then the price is sideways for a long time. Then go down again. But we can see here, the price hits a new low or not? Not yet. It means that we can wait and see, okay? Then which point is the good buy point? We can know that this is the pattern. Then if the price can upward break through this area, it is a good buy point, right? Okay, then we can see this day. The price upward breaks through the sideways area. Can we get in or not?
Yes.
Can we buy or not?
Okay.
Because we should remember, if you see the stock drop, then go sideways or go sideways as some chart pattern, which means that you can pay more attention. If you see the price can upward break through the sideways area, can upward break through the neckline, so it is the good buy point. Can we buy or not? Can we get in, okay? Then if you see here, if you buy, then the price drop. So should we sell or not? Maybe you will think about it. You will consider whether it's good or not. Maybe it's the good, not good buy point. Then I should sell, right? But you should know that if the price upward breaks through, this is the first buy point. But next buy point is where? Here. Then the price drop here. Then we can see maybe the price is like this. Okay. We see the price is like, if you see the price drop, right, then this is the which pattern? The long pattern. So if the price can upward break through the pattern, this is the buy point. And next, another buy point is here. When you see the price upward break through, then drop here again. So here is another buy point, okay? So we know that. If you never buy here, here is another buy point. Then you can earn some money. Okay. So we can see next one. Grasp the characteristics of reversal pattern from an overall. The first one, obvious change. If you this point tell us that if you see the trend is uptrend or downtrend, maybe it's good. But if you see the trend is in sideways, it's not good. So you should see the first important point is the obvious trend. Then the next one, the first signal of trend reversal is breakthrough of important trend line. Important trend line, maybe if you see the price drop, then if you see here, this is the downtrend line if the price can upward breakthrough. Or if you see this is the long head and shoulder bottom, this is the neckline. So here, upward breakthrough. Then the later price movement, the first signal of trend reversal is breakthrough of important trend line. The next one, the later price movement is determined by the scale of pattern. The next one, the price range of bottom pattern is smaller than the price range of top bottom, but the time of formation is longer. So what's that meaning? If you see here, because we know that here this is it tells us that this is the strong stocks, maybe we can pay more attention. But if you see here, this is the bottom pattern. Then if the price went up, rose, then goes sideways. So here is the top pattern, right? Then if you see the top pattern, the price, you see the price drop fall below the pattern or the neckline, which means you should sell. Okay. Then the next one, the measurement of price target is based on the height of pattern, while most measurement techniques can only be given a minimum target price. So later I will show you how to calculate the target price. This is the bottom reversal pattern. Okay, so let's see the first one. The first one is called head and shoulder top. This is the top reversal. The next one is triple top. We can see here, this is the triple top. So if you see the price fell below the neckline, you should sell. Okay. Then the third one is double top. Next one is V top. Then the next one is round top. These are all top pattern, top reversal. The next one, symmetrical triangle. This is another pattern. Okay, then if you see the price, the pattern like this, the price drop, here is the sell point. Okay, not the buy point, the sell point. So this is the diffusion triangle. So if you see the high point is higher, low point is lower. Then if you see the price drop, here is the sell point. Okay. The next one is descending triangle. So if you see the price drop, then this is the sell point. Okay. This is the bottom reversal pattern. This is the top reversal pattern. Okay. The next one is diamond. This is a diamond pattern. This is the wedge. This is the rectangle pattern. Okay. So all these patterns are top reversal pattern. You should remember. Okay. Not the bottom reversal. These are all the top reversal pattern. So if you see the pattern like this, you should sell. Prepare to sell. Okay. So we can see next one. The first pattern is called home. Okay. So what's the pattern? Okay. Then we can see high point is higher. Then low point is lower, like horn. Okay, so this is the upper tunnel. This is the middle tunnel. This is the downward tunnel. Okay, so this is the whole pattern. The pattern composition, at least 3 highs and 2 lows. Moreover, 3 highs are higher and 2 lows are lower. There are obvious upper and downward tunnel. Okay, so this is the pattern composition. If you see the price like this is the whole pattern. Then the next one, volume. The volume began to shrink with the continuously enlarged whole mouth, and sometimes there will be irregular huge volume. Then the volume is irregular. The next one, market behavior. Whole trend reflects banker shift. Although the stock can create a new high constantly, the stock price hits a new low every time, forming a diffusion outward pattern with bank money outflow. So if you see the whole pattern, you should prepare to sell because this is the top reversal pattern. Okay, then we can see sell point. The best sell point when the price touch the upper tunnel of hole combined with the volume. If the volume is enlarged, you should sell quickly. The second sell point, near the middle tunnel. When the price downward breaks through the middle tunnel, it is the sell point. Okay, second sell point. The next one, the third point, third sell point. The price rebound once touch the downward tunnel to get support and do not back to up tunnel of hole. This is another sell point. The latest sell point. The price downward breaks through the downward tunnel of hole. So this is the latest sell point. Decline prediction based on the formula of box. Okay. So we can see this one. This one is whole pattern, right? We can regard this pattern as whole pattern because we can see three. The high point is higher, while the low point is lower, right? Okay, so this is the whole pattern. If you see the whole pattern appears, which means that this is the top reversal pattern, you should prepare to sell, okay? But how to calculate the target price? Okay, so the target point, the latter low point minus the decrease. Later high point, then later low point, times 4, which means T. Then this is the T is the. Then you can see you can remember this formula. Okay, so this is the formula. If you see the pattern like this, you should calculate the target point, target price. Then you can remember this is the formula. So how to do that? This is the A, right? Then the price like this. This is the A, this is the B, then this is the C, this is the D, and the next one is E. So you know A, B, C, D, E, but you want to know what's the target price. So if the price just touch the target price, then had some support, maybe we can get in, right? Okay, so the formula is D. We should know how to calculate the price. D. This is the. So you know how to do that, right? So this is the formula. If you want to know where is the target point, target price, you can use this formula to calculate, okay? So we see next one. This is the stocks, then we can see this one. Target point. This is the, so we see here. This is the whole pattern, right? So you see the whole pattern appears. If the price fall below, here, where is the first sell point? Where is the first sell point? Okay, then if you see the price touch the up tunnel, this is the sell point. Okay, then if you see the price fall below the middle tunnel, this is the next sell point. Then the latest point, what's the latest point, sell point? If you see the price below the downward tunnel, this is the latest sell price. Okay, so if you see here, the next one, if you see the price has some rebound, maybe cannot touch the up tunnel, then go down again. So here is another sell point. Okay. Then we can we talk about the whole pattern. Okay. The next one is about the wedge. This is the pattern. So this is the top reversal. This is the bottom reversal. So we can see here. Then the price go up, right? The high point is higher, low point is higher. So higher high and higher low. Okay. Then if you see the price fall below the wedge, the ascending wedge. So here is the sell point. Okay. Then we can see next one. Then the lower low and the lower high. Then if you see the price come up to break through the descending wedge, so this is the buy point. Okay. But let's check by the volume. What's the difference between these two volumes? The first one, the price drop. There's no need of volume, right? The volume is no needed. It's not important. Then we can see this one. The price is half for the breakthrough. The volume is very important. The volume should increase. Okay. So this is the wedge pattern. Then we can see wedge pattern. Form composition is composite of 3 high and 2 low continued convergence structure connecting 3 highs and 2 lows form to materially gather trend line. Somewhat similar to the triangular shape. Overall, the biggest difference is obvious wedge inclined upward or downward angle. This is the form composition. Then we can see the volume. With the rising wedge, volume gradually reduced until the breakthrough failed to release the next check. Falling wedge formulation process is generally the volume is gradually shrinking. But when you break up on the check, the volume must have amplification. Okay, so this is the difference. The trading points, rising wedge break on the rear sale by falling wedge breakthrough on the check. Then the next one, relative large and difficult to measure, because this one is difficult to measure. Okay, it's not like the whole pattern. This is the wedge pattern. Okay, so we can see this one. This one is ascending wedge. How to judge? We can see the high point, the higher high, and the higher low. Then we can draw this one. We can connect 3 high points. Okay, 3 highs. This is the 3 highs, and we can connect 2 lows. Then this is the ascending wedge. Okay. So if you see the ascending wedge, it means this is the top reversal or bottom reversal. This is the top reversal. Okay. If you see the price fall below the wedge pattern, sell or not, you'd better sell out quickly. Okay, this is the sell point. This is the first sell point. Then the next sell point. Where is the next sell point? When you see the price rebound and touch the wedge, so go down again. This is another sell point. The first sell point. Here is another sell point. So if you see the ascending wedge appears in your stocks, you should pay more attention to sell, because this is the top reversal. Okay. Then we can see next one. This is a descending wedge. What's the difference? Okay, the descending wedge. We can connect the 2 highs, 3 highs, and 2 lows. Okay, 3 highs are lower and lower, right? But we can see here, the 2 lows, higher or lower? Lower, right? So this is the descending wedge. Okay, if you see the descending wedge appears, this is the bottom reversal pattern or top reversal pattern. The bottom reversal pattern. If you see the price upward break through the descending wedge, with high volume. So this is a buy point. It means that which means that the price may go up. Okay. So you should remember what's the ascending wedge and what's the descending wedge. Ascending wedge. This is the top reversal pattern. Descending wedge is the bottom reversal pattern. You should remember, okay? Then if you see stocks, you can check your stocks whether satisfied with this pattern or not. So we can see next one. The upward line. Then this is the upward line. Then this is the downward line. Then we can measure the distance, okay? So the distance is the same. Then we can see here, this is the pattern, right? The wedge pattern. This is the descending pattern, okay? So how to calculate the target price? How to calculate? We can see here, this is the point, right? Then we can measure the distance. So this is the target price. Then we can see next one, this ascending wedge pattern, okay? The upward line, downward line, and we can measure the distance. It's the same. We can click this one. We can choose this one to calculate. Choose this one to calculate. Then we can draw the parallel line. Then we know that where is the next target price. Okay. So this is the descending and ascending wedge. Then we can see this one. This dark. We can connect the 3 points. How to calculate? 1, 2, 3. Right. We should find the 3 lows. 3 highs, 2 lows. Okay. So this is the 2 lows, right? 2 lows. Then 3 highs. 1, 2, 3. 3 highs, right? Okay, so we find that this is the wedge pattern, but this is the wedge, descending wedge or ascending wedge. Descending wedge or ascending wedge. So it is very important. If you judge wrong, maybe you will lose some money, right? So how to judge? Okay, so we can see here. This is a descending or ascending. You forget, right? Repeat again, and I hope you can take photo. Okay. This is the ascending wedge. So we can see 3 highs and the 2 lows. The higher high and the higher low. This is the ascending wedge, right? Okay, so what's the descending wedge? The the 2 highs and the 3 highs and 2 lows. The lower low and the lower high. This is the descending. Okay, then we can see this one, descending or ascending. This is the ascending, right? Because we can see the higher high and the higher low. Okay. So descending, what's that meaning? Yes.
Based on the just now you talk about the period, after the ascending right, suppose the market share down.
Yeah.
This case obviously
go up, right? Okay. Then we see here, the price drop, we sell or not? Sell, right? Because we can see if we sell, then this is the sideways, right? The sideways is will let us feel sad, right? Why? Because you can see here the price is in sideways. If you keep the stocks, you will miss the good chance to catch some strong stocks, right? Okay, then if you sell, then we can see next day. If the price can go up and create a new high again, can we get in or not? Can we go again, right? We should use different strategies to judge. Okay, then we can see this one. This is the descending or ascending? Descending or ascending? But we should know that this pattern is right, is correct or wrong. How to judge whether this is the wedge pattern or not? 3 highs and 2 lows, right? Okay, so we can see this chart. 3 highs, 2 lows, this is right? But highs, 3 highs or 2 highs?
3 high and 2 low.
2 highs and 2 lows. So this is not wedge pattern, okay? Can you understand?
Yes.
Yes. So if you say this is not wedge pattern, how can we calculate? How can we judge? Okay. So we cannot. We should find carefully. Okay. Then we can see how to judge. Then we can see next one. Let's see normal. Then we should find the 3 highs and 2 lows. Okay. Then how to find it? First one, can we calculate here? Can we draw the line here? Cannot. 3 highs, right? Okay, so we draw here? That's right. Is it correct? Yes, 3 highs, right? Okay, then 2 lows. Correct or not? Yes. So this is the ascending pattern or descending? Descending wedges. Okay. So we know that where is the goodbye point? If the price, this is the large wedge pattern. Okay. If the price can upward break through, maybe it's the goodbye point, but only for long term. So we know that here is still the bottom area, right? Not the top reversal, okay? Not the bottom reversal. So if you want to buy, you should wait and see, okay? So we can see next one. The bottom area, bottom formation. The share price moves within a narrow range, no obvious changes. The volume becomes larger than before downtrend period. The next one breaks through. Daily volume stands upon the resistance line by point. The share price and volume breaks through the resistance line. This is the buy point. The next one, range of the rising prices. The share price goes up strongly and fast. The main points. A. The longer period in the correction phase, the higher point the share price can reach. Then the next one, the share price moves at the bottom, which is relatively flat. The last one, the new trend keeps going continuously. That must be with high volume, always the bottom area. Okay, then we can see some examples. Just now we learned the top reversal pattern and the bottom reversal pattern, okay? Then we can choose any stocks we want. This stock is strong, right? The overall trend is the uptrend, right? If you hold these stocks, you should know that this is strong, okay? Then we can keep for long term. But how to find whether this is the top reversal or not? So can we see here? Can we find the 3 highs and the 2 lows? Then we see here, we should find the 3 highs. This is the high point, right? This is another high point. Can we see this is the top high point?
Yes.
How to judge?
Higher.
This is the high point. We know that high point. This is high point or not?
Yes.
How to know that? You can remember to use your fingers to judge whether this is the high point or not. Okay. So if you see this, your finger is like this, the candlestick is like our fingers, then this is the high point. This is the low point. Okay. So we know that here is the high point. Here, high point or not? We don't know, right? Okay, if we don't know, so we see here, this is first one, this is next one, but we don't have the third one. Where is the third one? Here is the third one, right? So we can draw the is it correct or not? No, right. Okay, then it means that the share you can keep. Then we should check by the volume. So this stock still can keep or not? Yes, because we cannot find any top reversal pattern. Okay, then we can see next one. Then we can see this stock. This stock is called OS group. Firstly, let's see the overall trend. The overall trend is downtrend or uptrend? Downtrend, right? Okay, then we can see this one. Then the price had some rebound, then go up again. Can you tell me where is the next buy point for this stock? I taught members many methods for judging the buy point, the next buy point. So where is the next buy point? Okay, then we see this stock. So we see here, this is the price, right? Then we can see this one. So here, can we get in or not? Then we see another one. What's the difference? You should remember. So here, can we get in or not? We cannot judge whether this is the lowest point or not, right? Because anyone cannot judge the lowest point, because lowest point is only one point. We should judge the bottom area, okay? Then we can see this stock. Next day, the price dropped again. So here, can we get in or not? Cannot, because we can see the volume. If the volume, the price can go up and the volume is larger than this one, maybe we can get in. But if cannot, we should wait and see. So here, can we get in or not? Cannot, wait and see, okay? Then here, can we get in or not? We don't know, right? Because we don't know whether this is a good point to buy or not. Then this day, can we buy or not?
Yes.
How to judge this is the buy point?
High volume.
The high volume and high price, okay? Then if you see the price like this, the price may have some correction next day. Okay, then if you didn't buy, where is the next buy point? Half of the candlestick, right? So if you see this is the half of the candlestick, you do for long term or short term? Only for short term, okay? Then I teach you this method. Then we can see this one. If we see the price drop, then this is the low point, go up again. Then the price, this is the first step, right? But we can first the rising phase. We cannot get in because we don't know, right? Okay, then the price drop. Here, can we get in or not? This is the first low point. This is the next one. Can we buy or not? Can we buy or not? You should think carefully. Okay, then this one, you can buy because this is the first phase, rising phase. Then next one, if the price drop, then touch this one, is another buy point. Then this one drop again, maybe the price drop again. This is the third low point. Can we buy or not? We can get in, right? But if the price, this is the fourth low point. Can we get in or not?
Cannot.
Buy or sell?
Sell.
You should sell. Okay. Then we see this is the first situation. Then we can see next one. Then the price. This is the first one. The next one. This is the two low point. Then go up again. Can we buy or not? Can we buy? Can we get in?
Yes.
How to judge? Okay. So if you find a pattern like this, you can get in. But how to know where is the good buy point? You can use multicolor dragon to judge. You can use multicolor dragon, this function, to judge whether can buy again or not. Okay. Then we can see some stocks like this one. The price go up, right? The price went up. Okay, then go down again. Right. But where is the next good buy point? If you see the next one, then we can draw the line, right? This is the downward line. Downward line. Okay? Or this is the downward line. So if you see the price can upward break through the downward line, the resistance line, and the multicolor dragon, the red clamp is above 50. This is the next buy point for medium long term. Okay. So here, if you see the price like this, the first situation, the price upward breaks through the downtrend line, right, or the resistance line. The next situation is that multicolor dragon, the red clamp is above 50. So this is the buy point for medium long term. So we can buy again for medium long term. Okay. Then if you see the price, this is the first rising phase. Then price drop. Then if you see next one, here is the good buy point. Okay. Then we can see next one. This is the bottom area. How to know that? Then the price drop. The price is in sideways. During the sideways. Then if you see the price can go up, can upward break through the sideways area. This is the bottom reversal. Then you should get in. Okay. Then we can see some examples. So we see this stock. We can check some stocks. Okay, then we see this one. This is the first rising phase, right? So where is the next buy point? How to know that? Okay, then we can draw the downward trend, downtrend. Okay, then if you see this one, the price can upward break through the downward trend line, and the volume, the red clamp is about 50, or it's almost 50. It is the good buy point. But if you miss the good chance, can we get buy now or not? You should use multicolor dragon to judge whether can buy or not. If you see the multicolor dragon, the red clamp is above 50 again, it's the buy point. Okay. Then we can see next one. This one is the bottom reversal pattern or not? No, because there's no bottom reversal pattern. Then we can see next one. So we see here, we see this stock. So we see here, the low point, right? Then we can draw here. This is the low point. Okay, then we can see next one. The price drop here and get some support. Can we buy or not? Just now I already taught you this method. Maybe you already forgot, right? Okay, then we can see if you don't have getting. Okay, so here can we buy or not? Then we can see here the price just touched the support, right? And it means that here maybe we can do short-term rebound, but only for short-term. Okay. Then the price go up again. Which pattern? This is like the double bottom, right? The double bottom. But where is the neckline? If you want to know whether this is the top reversal or not, where is the bottom reversal or not, where is the neckline? You should draw the neckline, right? Okay, so how to draw? Here is the neckline. So if you see the price can upward break through the neckline with high volume, so it is the good buy point, okay? But if you see here the price is in sideways during this period, which means that we can only buy low, sell high, do short trading, okay? Then we can see next one. Which pattern is it like? Then we can see here. Which pattern? Like the head and shoulder bottom, right? Okay, where is the neckline? This is the neckline, right? So we know that this is the bottom area, but not the top bottom reversal, right? This is the top bottom reversal pattern, but we know that here is not the good buy point. Where is the good buy point? If you see the price can go up and upward break through the neckline, so this is the first buy point. The second buy point, if you see the price drop, then go up again. So here is the second buy point. Okay, then we can see next one. We can see some stocks. This stock is strong or not? This is a new stock, right? And this stock is so strong. Why? Because we can see so many bank money inside. Okay, then we see here. Just now I taught you this method. Okay, so this is the first rising phase, right? Then go down again. Where is the good buy point? Then if you see the multicolor dragon, the red clam is almost 50 or about 50. So here is the buy point. Then you can buy again. Then go down again, right? Then about 50 again. So here is another buy point. Then you can catch some good profit in stocks. Okay. So we can see next one. This stock is also strong, right? So we can see here. Then the price drop, right? So this is like which pattern? The sideways, right? This is the bottom area. Then we can draw the rectangle. Then we can see here. The first buy point is when we see the price upward break through the sideways area. Then the next buy point, when we see the price drop, then touch the support, then go up again. So here is another buy point, okay? Then we can see next one. So we can see this stock, whether this is the top reversal pattern or not. Then we can draw the line. This is the Can we draw the line like this? This is the wedge pattern or not? No, because there's no three highs, okay? Then we can see this one and the two lows. So this is the wedge pattern or not? Yes, but belongs to descending wedge pattern or ascending wedge pattern. Ascending, right? Because the higher high and higher low. Okay, so this is the top reversal pattern or bottom reversal pattern. Bottom or top? Top reversal pattern, right? If you see the price, it has 3 sell point. The first sell point, when we see the price drop, then rebound here again is the sell point. Then if you see the price drop the wedge pattern, this is another sell point. Okay, so you should remember this. Then we can see next one. This one we see here. This is the bottom area, right? When you see the price drop, then the bottom area. Then if you see the price go up, this is the buy point. Okay, so this is the first buy point. This is the second buy point. So we can see V reversal pattern. What's the reversal pattern? Reversal formation. The share price goes down steadily but drop very fast afterwards, and then going up very fast also after the share price drops. So the volume, the share price goes down further and faster with larger volume mostly. Buy point, it is a big buy point when the green color candlestick covers some previous red color candlesticks. The share price comes to the new low every day within 4 days. Okay, then we can see next one. The range of the prices. The share price increase very strongly once the reversal bottom forms. The price would come the previous high point, the rising range, the previous dropping range. Okay, so what's that meaning? You see here, this is the V reversal pattern. Okay, then the price sharply drop, then the go up sharply. Okay, so we see here how to judge this is the reversal pattern or not. Okay, then I give you some example. Then we can see this stock. So we see this one. You should know how to judge this is the V pattern or not. We can calculate the amount, the candlestick. If you see the the bullish candlestick is more than bearish candlestick, maybe it's the V pattern. Then we can see firstly, we should know that the price drop fast. Okay, then we see next one. Then if you see the candlestick, the bullish candlestick is more than bearish candlestick, so it means that this is the V pattern. Okay, then we know that here is the V pattern. If you see the price, this is the V pattern. Where is the sell point? Here is the sell point. Here is the sell point. Why? Because we know that here had some rebound. Then the price dropped from this point, right? So here we can draw the line. So here is the sell point. If you see the price touch the price, so we see here, if you buy these stocks, then the price touch the sell point. The price is around 0.108. So here is the sell point. Then if you sell, you can avoid some risk. But we cannot sell at the highest point, right? Because this is the neckline. If the price go up and touch the neckline, you should sell quickly, okay? Because this is the V pattern. If the price drop first, then will rise fast, okay? Then we can see this one. This is just now the stocks. Then drop, then go up, then the neckline. If the price touches the neckline, you'd better sell out the stocks. The next one is about the diamond pattern. The diamond. What's the diamond? We can see the two highs and two lows. Then the next one, two highs and two lows. Okay. Then here, the higher high and the higher high, but the lower low. Then the next one, lower high and the higher low. Okay. So this is the diamond pattern. Okay. Then we can see next one. The diamond pattern. The pattern formation, the necklines of diamond pattern is like the letter V. The amount of volume steadily goes down. The pattern is a combination of triangle and jumped patterns. The left part likes a jumped higher highs, lower lows. The third type, the price goes up, which cannot be higher than the previous high point, and vice versa, and then the price fluctuation are narrowing. The right part lacks a triangle. The meaning, the investors are easily to be crazy when the share price is higher, right? Okay, the share price is higher and higher, and vice versa. The share investors should be always await a new sign when the stock market keeps going. Okay, then we can see this one. This is the diamond pattern. Okay, then we can see the two highs, two lows. The next one, two highs, two lows. Okay, then we can see that this is like the diamond pattern. This is the top reversal pattern. If you see the top reversal pattern, that diamond pattern appears, then the price drop. You should sell quickly. Okay. The next one, I will teach you how to use homely function to judge the pattern. Because if we only see the candlestick, it's hard to judge which pattern belongs. Okay, then we can see this one. This one is called turning, the short-term turning or medium-term turning. Firstly, this is the STI index. We can see the short-term turning. Then we can judge the pattern easily. Okay, so we can see this pattern. Which pattern? Double top, right? Double bottom. So this one, which pattern? No pattern, right? How about this one? Then, okay, how to find this one? We should click. We can click this one. NT, then short-term turning. Okay, so this is which pattern here? Like the V pattern, right? Okay, so this is the short-term pattern, short-term turning. And this one is the medium-term turning. You also can check by medium-term turning. Okay, so this is the which pattern like this. It's not completed, right? But if the high-low point confirm, this is the head and shoulder bottom. Okay, then this is the STI index. The next one is middle long-term turning. Okay, then this is the middle long-term turning. It's also like the pattern. Then we can see next one is long-term turning. How to find in the software? Okay, so this is the short-term turning, right? If you want to check the medium-term turning, you can click this one. Then if you want to check the medium long-term or long-term, you can use this one to check. But if you find the pattern, how to pick the stocks by these patterns. Okay, so today I will teach you this method, and I hope you can understand. Okay, so how to pick stocks by chart pattern. Okay, so if we want to pick some stocks like this pattern, this is the double bottom, right? Okay, so how to use that? Firstly, we can click NT. We can click select. If we click select, means we can choose pattern like the bottom pattern, the top reversal pattern, Okay. Then how to select stocks? Then if you find some pattern, you can use pattern to select some stocks. The pattern name, and this is the pattern name and turning, right? This is the STI index. So if you see you want to find some pattern like the STI index, so maybe we can click this one, then click filter. But how to do this? So firstly we can use the short-term turning. Okay. This is the short-term turning, but I want to find the bottom like this. This is the STI index. So I want to find some stocks which have these patterns, the double bottom pattern. Okay. So how to do that? Firstly, we should click the NT, then click the select. Then we can choose this pattern. This is the double bottom, right? Then we choose, then we can click NT, then click save. Click save, then this filter platform appears. Then we just click filter. It's okay. See whether there's have some pattern like the double bottom or not. So we can use this pattern to filter some stocks. Yes. So can you understand this method? Okay. So let's see whether have some stocks or not. Maybe there's no double bottom patterns. Okay. Then we can see next one. If you also can check by the individual stocks. Maybe you want to find this is the best word, right? So I want to find here. I want to find the pattern like this. Can we find or not? Then we can click NT, click short-term turning. We want to find the pattern like this. Then we can click NT, click select. Then we can click this one. Click select. This one, okay? Then we can click NT, click select again. So we can see here. This is the pattern name. It's called best word. This is the stocks. Then we can click filter. See whether can filter some stocks or not. Can or not? Yes, can, right? So how to find this pattern, these stocks like the double bottom or top reversal pattern or bottom reversal pattern. So you can use this method to select. Okay, so let's check the stocks one by one. So this is the stock. Okay, then this stock, whether it's good or not, this is the new stock again, right? New stock, there's difficult to judge because this new stock, there's no complete pattern, okay? Then we can see this one no need to care, right? Because this one is not good. So we can use this method to find some pattern like what you want, okay? So this method, I hope you can grasp. If you want to find some pattern you want, then you can use this method to find some pattern to select, to pick some stocks. Okay, this function cannot help us to judge the buy and sell point, but only can help us to judge the pattern easily. Okay, so if you want to select the pattern like this or like this, so you can use this method to pick some stocks which belongs to double bottom or triple bottom, whatever you like. Okay, so this is the short-term turning. Can you grasp this method?
Can you show us one more time?
Okay.
It's very useful.
Then we can find this one. This is the double bottom, right? This is the STI index. Then we can see we can check some individual stocks. This pattern We cannot find the pattern like this, right? Then we can see next one. Round bottom is better. Then we can see next one. Okay, then we can see this one. We want to find the pattern like this, okay? So firstly, we can click the shorten pattern, maybe this pattern, right? Okay, then we can click NT, click select, then we can click this pattern. Then we can click select. Then this is the Jumbo, the pattern name, okay? Then we can click filter again, see whether can filter some stocks or not. Okay, then we can see this one. Like the pattern just now, right? Okay, then we can see this one. But this stock is good or not? It's not good, right? So we should give up, okay? We should find another pattern. You can find, maybe if you find the stock, this is like round bottom, okay, then you can choose this period, then choose this zone, then pick some stocks like this pattern, okay? So I hope you can grasp this method and help you to make some profit. Okay, so let's review the courses, and I hope you can understand and will not forget. Okay, so first one, we talk about the unusual reversal pattern. Okay, so we learned the story, whether you are suitable for investment or not. So this is the story, and I hope you can ask your friends. Then you can ask him whether you can tell him whether he's suitable for investment or not. This is the story. This is the story, okay? And you can calculate how much money did the boss one lost during this transaction. Okay, so the answer is given within 3 minutes is wrong, which means that you are not suitable for investment. You need to learn some method, okay? So you can remember this story and you can ask your friends, okay? The next one, we talk about the market outlook. You can use the CHIPS distribution to judge where is the support and where is the resistance. So if you can use this method, and every day you can check, you can mark here, because this is the longer trips, right? Okay, so if the price touch the longest trips, this is the strongest resistance, okay? If the price touch here, we'd better sell quickly, okay? Because we should avoid risk. It is very important. Then the next support, where is the next support? So here is the next support. Here is also the support. Because today we know that the market just touched the support, but whether can be supported or not, we don't know. We should check by tomorrow, right? But we know that here is the support. Okay? Then we can see next one, we learn some patterns, how to grasp the pattern. I hope you can remember this is the top-bottom reversal pattern, okay? So you know that all of these belongs to bottom, the top, not bottom, I pressed wrong, okay? The top reversal pattern, okay? So this is the head and shoulder top, triple top, double top, V top, round top, symmetrical triangle, diffusion triangle, and descending triangle, diamond, wedge, and rectangle. All of this belongs to top reversal pattern. But here, this one you should remember. This is the rectangle, right? So if the price drop far below this triangle pattern, it's the top reversal pattern. But if you see the price can upward break through the bottom area, this is the bottom reversal pattern, okay? Then we can see next one. This is the hall, okay? So it has the 3 sell points, okay? The best sell point, the second sell point, the third sell point, the third sell point and the latest sell point. Okay, I hope you can remember. So this is the formula of calculating the target price. Okay.
How do we know the from 4 to the formula 25/4?
Later I will talk. Then this is the wedge pattern. Okay, so this is the ascending wedge. If you see the price drop, sell. Okay, this is the descending wedge. So you better see the bottom reversal pattern. This is the top reversal pattern. Okay, then next one, this is the ascending wedge, descending wedge. You should remember. Okay, so how to measure the distance? You can use this method. You can draw the parallel line. Okay, so this is the bottom area. If you see the price drop, then touch here. Then the bottom reversal pattern appears. If you see the price upward breakthrough, this is the first buy point. If you see the price upward breakthrough, then rebound, then correct to adjust to the neckline again, is another buy point. Then the next one here, V reversal pattern. Okay, so this is the V reversal pattern. The next one we talk about the diamond pattern. Okay, so it also have some points. If you see the price fall below, you better sell quickly because this is the top reversal pattern. Then the next one we learned how to find some patterns easily. You can see the short-term turning, the medium-term turning, and the medium-long-term turning and long-term turning, and how to pick stocks by this chart pattern. Okay, so I hope you can learn this method very well, and I hope you can understand. Okay, so this is today's course, and if you have any question, you can ask me, and I hope you can learn good pattern, learn good technical knowledge. Okay, so thank you for attending the class. Thank you.